dense thick leaves. Metal and polymer clay texture number BS 4008R.
It's time for Texture Tuesday with Patrick.
Okay, we are going to add some release agent directly to the texture, and because TextureSmith textures are so detailed, I like to take a small brush and work the release agent into the nooks and crannies to make sure we get a nice clean texture. Make sure that your work surface and your roller are also lubricated with release agent, and then we're going to be rolling this out 4 cards thick as the final thickness, but we are going to be adding 1 card thickness on top of that to make it 5 cards thick. This is called the roller reduction method. Then I'm going to take my clay and roll it lightly and then pick it up and turn it sideways so that I get a thicker piece to make sure that I have enough clay that I'm working with. You'll notice there's no texture still. So now we're going to inspect the clay and make sure it's free of any defects or wrinkles. Add a little bit of release agent to the clay, which will help in releasing it from the texture. And then now we're going to be taking that 1 card away. So when we put the slats onto the texture, they should be going on top of the texture. Now, if your piece needs more room and there's not enough room on the texture to place the slats, all you have to do is take a couple more textures and raise up the slats to the same thickness of the texture, and then you can have enough room for your entire design. Add a little bit more of release agent and placing this face down directly onto the texture, and then we're rolling that clay by the 4 cards thick. Since we removed the black slats, it pushes it down into the clay by that 1 card thickness. I like to do a slow release here, and then you can see all that beautiful, beautiful texture. It's super detailed, and it just makes a fantastic background, or even just a simple pendant, or pretty much anything that you want to have some foliage on. This is TextureSmith texture number BS4008R. If you want to find out more, go to texturesmith.com. Don't forget to sign up for our YouTube channel.